One cat, CAT. One cat. One cat. Two cats, CATS. One cat, CAT. Two cats, CATS. What does it mean? It means a lot when you spell out cat and cats, especially for the periodic table of elements. When you convert them into write them down as chemical symbols. I'm gonna show you right now what I mean. I have it written down here. CAT, one cat. CATS, two cats. I'm going to show you what the difference in the chemical symbols and how everything changes according to chemistry or periodic table of elements. One cat is CAT. Capital C is for carbon. Capital T right here. Capital C is for carbon. Capital A and a small t is for astatine. That's spelled capital ASTATINE. Okay? And the chemical symbol for carbon is 6. Not chemical symbol, the atomic number is 6. The atomic number for astatine or astatine is 85. Then you got cats. That's one cat, and there's two cats with the S in the end. All I did is put the S at the end of the word to make it plural. Okay? And everything changes. So now we have capital C and a small a for calcium. Capital CALCIUM. And then we got capital T, we got TS. So we capitalize the T right here. Capital T and the S. And that's for tennessine. Capital TENNESSINE. If it sounds like Tennessee, because the work was done in the lab in Tennessee, because the work was done mainly in Tennessee. When the work was completed, they called it Tennessine or Tennessine after the state of Tennessee. Okay, that's where it was done in the lab. Okay, now we got capital C and a small a for calcium with the atomic number of 20. We got capital T and a small s for tennessine, and that's and the atomic number is 117. This is really a 7. Okay, I write it down here again. Maybe if I put it like this, 117 for atomic number of tennessine. All right. So one cat, CAT, is not the same as two cats, which is plural. Singular, plural. One cat, more than one cat. Just because I added the S, I changed the periodic table of elements, chemical symbols. And that's the same thing. You don't write down CAT one way, of singular, and then the same way for a CATS. It's not the same thing. You don't write down the same way. So you see what happened? So next time you see a cat, CAT. You see two cats, CATS. Now, here's the rub. Take the CAT and turn it into the chemical symbols. The way cat would look on the periodic table of elements. Now take the CATS and write it down, and then see if you can write it down the right way. Now you will see it in the periodic table of elements. Okay? So we see a cat, CAT. You see two cats or more, CATS. If you keep pointing to the cats every day, or once in a blue moon, or every other time that you see a cat or cats, your brain will start to compute and put everything together. But you got to do the work. You just don't point to a cat and say cat, CAT. You just don't do that. You say cat, CAT, capital C for carbon, capital A and a small t for astatine. You do that. Okay, so you point to Fluffy and tell, hey, Fluffy, you are a cat, C-A-T. Carbon, astatine, and then if you have more than one cat, hey, Fluffy and Missy. Oh, you're cats. 2 cats. Plural. C-A-T-S. Capital C with a small a, capital T and a small s for calcium and tennessine. And there you go. Okay, this is how you write it. My book was slanted, and I had the phone in my hand, so it's kind of a. Let me see if I can do it right here. Capital C, small a for calcium. Capital T for tennessine, and a small s. There you go. And that's how you do it. All right? Do this. I'll do that. Point to the cat and point to the cats. And you'll see that you'll learn how to do this. And you can remember the atomic numbers on your own, on your own time. But right now, try to get the symbols, the chemical symbol for the element, for the 2 elements. 2 elements is carbon and astatine. 2 elements, calcium and tennessine. All right? Okay, now you have it. Okay. Have a good time studying. Over and out. Bye-bye.